Hello, everyone, and this is Reggie with Williams Investment Group, and I am going over my trades for today. Today was pretty much a red day in the stock market, and this is where it is good to have a watch list. So I use TradingView.com, and this is TradingView.com, and this is my watch list, and this is all my watch lists here. I got like a Biden stock list, I got anchor stocks, earnings, all kind of stuff, right? And so days like today, you go into, let me pull it up, can't really see it. Stocks about to break out folder. And so these are all my stocks. I look at it from a technical analysis standpoint and waiting for breakouts to happen on them. So I'll check them every day. And so the ones that stood out to me today was Visa, Dollar General. Let me show you Dollar General real quick. See, Dollar General here is forming a flag pattern. That's where, see, it's almost shaped like a flag, this blue line and this yellow line, almost shaped like a flag. And it consolidates, and bounces around between these lines, and then it breaks out. So it hasn't broke out yet, so I've been watching that one. But, it was green today. T-Mobile is another one I've been looking out for. T-Mobile is really the only cell phone carrier that has a moving stock. Like Verizon just doesn't move, and AT&T So anyway, we got Visa. So I played Visa today. I bought a debit spread on Visa. Visa is a bit of a roll of the dice because it's been trading in this channel here, as you can see, and the channel is between 213 and 204. So it's been trading in the $10 range, right? And kind of have a small breakout here. It broke this resistance line of 213, and it's up just above 213, 293. Kind of hit resting at right now. It's resting at 214, and so it's been in a small range all day. Bit of a risk because when you see a candlestick that looks like this. Let me zoom in. A lot of times that's a sign of a reversal, and tomorrow we could be trading down here. But I'm looking at the SAR indicator. I'm looking at volume, which today this thing was green and red all day. So it was looking like at one point that the buyers were going to win, but it turned red, so it's mostly sold off. But we still have post market to go, but you don't have a lot of volume there. But my indicators all show upside. We had the RSI indicator here, uptrend. We have the MacD, the MacD, in a cross here, the golden cross, and it's heading uphill. And we're green here. So based off those indicators, I took a shot and took out no, actually, I don't think I did a debit spread on this. I bought a straight option, at the money option, with the hopes of, let's zoom out, of a breakout. And if we break out, we're gonna break out break out to about 217 here. So looking for a breakout. So that's 2 points. Or it'd be nice to have a nice big gap up like this. So that's my play on Visa. Visa is strong. Visa is a play, despite what you may think, it is a play on e-commerce payments, because a lot of their money comes from e-commerce. So this should be in your basket of e-commerce payment solutions such as PayPal, Square, Visa. Those are your top three. All right, keep those in mind. So let's go to our next winner today. I played about 3 stocks today. Netflix, played Netflix today. Netflix was looking good, and no, not. I'm sorry, I did not do Netflix today. I didn't play Netflix. No, because I was concerned because it went from this point of the Bollinger Band in the middle, the red line, all the way to the top of it. It kind of hit this resistance, and then kind of got stuck in this little range. So I'm gonna let this play out one more day, because usually when it looks like this, let me show you another one. It could come out above the line. The next few candlesticks could be within this candlestick, within the range. So it could be range bound at this point because of that. So I thought I'd let that play out, but it was green. I mean, it'd be nice to catch it down here, and catch that 15-point move. Amazon killing it all day, kind of pulled back a little bit at the end of the day, but Amazon got all the way up to 346. And so I did a debit spread on Amazon because the SIR indicator here shows we're in the beginning of an uptrend. We got this huge green candlestick, and then the second candlestick here, this is a daily chart, started above it. And so we are in uptrend. Volume looks nice. RSI indicator shows uptrend. When you see those lines apart, and the blue is on top. And our MacD is showing, is opened up. So I see green skies ahead for Amazon. As long as the volume stays the way it is, if we get another volume day like this tomorrow, it's going to be nice. And then Monday is going to be really nice. So Amazon is going to be the winner. Amazon also is breaking out of this flag pattern. See, this forming a flag, this yellow, and then the red. I didn't go all the way out, but it's forming a flag pattern, and we got somewhat of a breakout here. And once it passes this line, the 3364, which it may do next week. I mean, it'd be nice to do it this week. I won't be mad at it. But if it passes that, then we're heading towards 3494, about 3500 mark, and 3500 mark. And it probably will come back down and then bounce back up. But that's what we're looking for on Amazon. Amazon's probably the strongest stock of the day for me. It got oil up to $60. It got up $60 today, and it kind of backed down by 20. And it ended up having a $38 positive day. But Amazon was a hero of the day, especially with the drone certification that was done in California, or the FDA. I'm sorry, the FDA allowed drones along as with certain parameters. So that's Amazon, and keep an eye on Amazon. I highly recommend getting in on Amazon. And so the other one was Netflix. We're over Netflix already. So yeah, that was it. So we had Visa, Netflix, and Amazon. BABA. I know there's another one. BABA. Now you heard the news about Ant Group, the payment solution, kind of backed off and bowed down to the Chinese government. One of the issues is Jack Ma, the CEO of Alibaba, kind of taunted the Chinese government, and so now this is we're all paying for it now with the or benefited it, getting in the stock low, but taunted the Chinese government and regulators, and so they said, okay, you want to taunt us, we're going to come down on you. I mean, what do you expect? It's the government. Why would you do that? So anyway, I guess sometimes you get a little too big for your britches when you're swimming in all that money like Scrooge McDuck. So anyway, we've got Alibaba. I got this. I got in. I watched it. I got in at 235. It got up to 238, came back down. So I'm expecting tomorrow for this to jump. We got good volume here. We need a little bit more, but we got really good volume. I like it to go above this big old sell stick we had. But if you got in down here, it's really nice. 219, that was awesome. So we got that. RSI is crossing over. So RSI showing uptrend, big uptrend, and our MacD is slowly reversing based off of this pattern here showing weakness. MacD is kind of lagging behind, but RSI, we probably get some buy-in tomorrow, and hopefully it'll fill this gap. So if it comes up, if it shoots up, we get enough buyers to come in tomorrow or even Monday, it should shoot up, and we're at 252. That's the price point I'm looking for. And the nice thing about buying way down here, there's not a lot of buyers, right? You got whoever bought here and here, and that's it. So that's what's nice, because last time it was down in this range was way back in July. So you probably don't have a lot of people down here that own the stock that wants to sell. If you bought all the way up here, hopefully you're not trying to sell, especially when you start seeing it come back up. So that's good, and that's good for momentum and the stock to go up because you won't have a lot of sellers. And shorts, short sellers should not get in here. I would expect they wouldn't, but you never know. So this is Reggie with Williams Investment Group, and this is another video on my trading day today. It was a green day for me. I know for a lot of people it's probably red. And this is the beauty of technical analysis, being prepared for days like today when the market is just down. It's really just down because of weakness. There's a little fear in the market because people are, let's check the VIX while we're at it. rebalancing, and the old school guys. This is a market they're unfamiliar with, so a lot of them aren't in the market, or they're sitting on the sidelines just waiting to see what shakes out. So if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because I look at a lot of stocks. And throughout the day, I will drop a video if I find a gem that you can look at and consider and put on your watch list too. So this is Reggie with Stock Talk. I'll see you on the next video.